Hello. Today, I will show you how to program the enemy to chase you. First, let's create the enemy. Left-click on Level 1, then right-click and add child node. Type in the search field Kinematic Body 2D. Then double-click on Kinematic Body 2D. Now, right-click on Kinematic Body 2D. And again, click on Add Child Node. Search for Collision Shape 2D. And again double-click on it. Go to Inspector. At Shape, click on the small arrow. Now click on New Rectangle Shape 2D. Left-click on Kinematic Body 2D. Then, right-click and again, click, Add Child Node. Search for Sprite. And double-click on it. Go to File System. And drag your image into the texture field. Now click on Collision Shape 2D. Adjust the size of your collision shape to the size of the image. Double-click on Kinematic Body 2D. And rename it to Enemy. Right-click on Enemy, and click on Add Child Node. Now search for Area 2D. And double-click on it. Right-click on Area 2D, and click on Add Child Node. Search for Collision Shape 2D. And double-click on it. Go to Inspector again. At Shape, click on the small arrow. This time, select New Circle Shape 2D. Click on the dot, and enlarge the circle. Like this. Each part of our enemy can be moved separately. To add all the parts together, click on Enemy. Then, click on this symbol. Now, this symbol appears here. That means all parts are joined together. And you can place your enemy more easily wherever you want. Now, let's create the script for the enemy. Click on Enemy. Then click on this symbol. Select Template Empty. Then click on Create. Now, type these text into your code. We're almost done. We only need to activate the Area 2D. So, click on Area 2D. Then at Node, double-click on Body Entered. Now, click on Enemy. Click on Connect. We now have a new function in our enemy script. Delete, pass. And type the following code. Let's test the program now. As soon as we enter the 2D area of the enemy, it starts chasing. But, when we are out of the area, he still follows us. We do not want that. Let's optimize the program a little bit. Click on Area 2D. Then at Node, double-click on Body Exited. Click on Enemy. Now click on Connect. We now have another new function in our enemy script. Delete, pass. And enter the following code. Let's test the program again now. It works. If we now leave the area of the enemy, he stopped chasing us. That's it. Have fun using the new physics in your game. Bye.